Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today our topic is services and we will talk about different services. So in our town and city communities there are different services which help the people like the police, fire brigade, hospitals and the city councils are the examples of such services. So first of all we will see the police station. As you know, in every city students there are a number of police stations and their job is to keep us and our property safe. So to do these they have to be out on the streets to see that everyone is obeying the rules. People who are caught breaking the laws are arrested by the police. Sometimes the police also have to fight the criminals, so they have a hard job to do. In this way students, in this picture you can see that some policemen also make sure that people drive properly or obey the rules of the road. They also help people, especially the very old and young, to cross the road. Okay students, the next topic is the fire brigades. When there is a dangerous fire somewhere, firefighters are called to put it out. As you can see here in this picture, these are the firefighters. They travel in a red fire engine, as you can see here, and the fire engine has a loud bell or siren to warn others to move out of the way, so that they can get to the fire quickly. Okay, these are the sirens, as you can see here. And student, this is a picture of a firefighter. Students, as you can see in this picture, when firefighters get to the fire, they use ladders and long hoses to bring water, as you can see here, to bring water to put out the fire. So they need to use long ladders if the fire is in a tall building. Okay, if the building is very tall, they need ladders. They wear as you can see, helmets and sometimes carry sharp axes. And if people are trapped in the building, they go in the building and bring them out to safety. Okay students, you can see in this picture, now we are talking about an ambulance service. People who are very ill are taken to a hospital, and sometimes they are badly hurt in an accident. So when this happens, they are rushed to a hospital in an ambulance. Sometimes we need we are in emergency, we call ambulance. Okay, they reach on time and they are given medicines to make them better. There are some doctors in the ambulance, they are looked after. So the patients are looked after by the doctors and nurses. Students, can you ever see on the road the ambulance races through the traffic to take a sick or injured person to the hospital? So a person being treated in a hospital. So students, clinics are usually very small than hospitals. A clinic is a place you go to when you are not well. There is usually one doctor you can find in a clinic. If you need to have an injection or a checkup, then you can see your doctor at a clinic. Okay, a house damaged due to an earthquake. You can see in this picture, a house damaged due to an earthquake. So people who provide free help and care to the poor and needy are doing a social service. So the person who help the needy people, they are doing a social service. So students, whenever we are in major problems like natural disasters such as earthquake, as you can see here in this picture, this is a natural disaster, just like earthquakes, storms, and the flood occur. So the social welfare services, okay, they help us and they support us. I hope you understand the chapter. Okay students, now open your SST book, page number 32, and we will do one question. Guess who they are. Guess the answer. Okay, keep us safe. Who keep us safe? Arrest lawbreakers, look after the law, and police station. Guess the person who they are. Policemen. Number 2, clinic, hospital, look after patients but not a doctor. So can you guess? Nurses. Okay, they are working in clinic, hospital, look after patients but they are not a doctor. Number 3, clinic, hospital, sees patients, suggest medicines. So when you go to hospital or clinic, who sees the patient and who suggests you medicines? Obviously doctor. So our answer is doctor. Number 4, wears a helmet, rescues trapped people, travels in a fire engine, uses long hoses. Fire engine. Can you guess the person? Yes, fire brigade. Okay. So students, complete this book exercise, complete this question number A on your book and also learn it.